dollar, the Comex. I don't know if you follow silver. What's happening with silver?
Skyrocketed, gold, record-breaking numbers.
All of that, and silver's been suppressed,
Hmm.
artificially suppressed for the
Hmm.
last 50 years. JP Morgan just had to pay $920 million in fines for the suppression of the silver market because of the paper contracts. And now we have a different pricing for paper contracts of silver for futures here in comparison to actual silver in Shanghai. There used to be an arbitrage. You buy silver here, for whatever amount, even if it's $71 here, and then you go over to China and you sell it, for the $88 that would have
Hmm.
marked over there. And well, now that arbitrage, they're not playing with that anymore because there's no silver in the COMEX. And we use over 1.2 million ounces of silver in all of our electronics. And we use 20 grams of it in solar panels, 50 grams of it in every electric vehicle, in every computer component. And there's only 851 million ounces being produced a year. And most of our silver is coming from byproducts from gold mines, from lead, from zinc, from copper mines. We only get about 20% of our silver from actual silver
Mm.
mines. And China is hoarding it. And out of nowhere, JP Morgan, who has been fighting against silver all this time, now they got 750 million ounces of silver. And it's necessary for all of our electronics. So silver has the potential now to go up to being worth thousands of dollars. It will become more even with gold. I think it's like 1 to 30 to 1 now, or sometimes it's at 50 to 1. Now it's going to get up to about 13 to 1.